Cobra, tunay na lakas, punch of the round.
Paco Valcarcel talking to Concepcion and Nonoy Neri. Ito po ang unang knockout defeat nitong si Bernabe Concepcion. Remember yung first round, pareho silang nanak. Alright, another great day of boxing. Medyo malungkot pero hindi po kapos sa aksyon. To wrap up the fight, sa ating first bout, Eden Sonsona natalo by 9th round knockout kay Jonathan Oquendo ng Puerto Rico. Si Nonito Donaire nanalo by knockout in 8 rounds kay Tyson Marquez. And in the main event, Juanma Lopez defeats Concepcion by 2nd round knockout. Sa ngalan po ng aking partner si Ronnie Nathaniels, ito po si Ed Tolentino nagsasabing, kabayan, hanggang sa susunod na bakbakan!